Yes, welcome to class. So today in this class we have to discuss about trigonometric ratio values at 0 degrees, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. So there are some specific angles. We can find out the trigonometric ratio values at these angles. So we have to discuss the proof also, how can you get these values. So first we have to get the trigonometric ratio values at 30 and 60. So first is a trigonometric ratio values at 30 degrees and 60 degrees first. Okay, how can you get it? So to find the values at these two angles, we have to consider one equilateral triangle ABC. So this is the equilateral triangle ABC. So equilateral triangle means in this one each angle is how much? 60 degrees. So each angle 60 degrees in this equilateral triangle. 60 degrees means, but to find the trigonometric ratios at 30 degrees, we have to bisect angle A. So we have to draw one bisector of angle A. So AD. So AD is the bisector of angle A. Bisector means, so this angle is how much here? 30 degrees, and this is also 30 here. Okay. So this one. So this angle is 30 this side. And so in the equilateral triangle, AD is the bisector, and it is also altitude, and it is also altitude for the BC, altitude, and it is also median. So in the equilateral triangle, altitude and median and angle bisector, these are all same only. So altitude, median and angle bisector. So this AD is the altitude and also median and also angle bisector. So median means D is a midpoint of BC. Okay, and altitude means it makes 90 degrees with the BC value. We know ABC is equal triangle means all sides are equal only. So now I am taking all sides are, I am taking AB is a 2x and BC also 2x and AC also 2x. So all sides are equal means I am taking 2x. Whatever you can take it, no problem. Either x, 2x, 3x, whatever you can take it. Why I am taking like this means, here D is a midpoint of BC because of AD is the median. So if D is the midpoint of BC, D is divides the BC into two equal parts. That means the length of BD value, the length of DC both are equal. So 2x divided to equal parts means the length of BD x and the length of DC also x only. Okay. Now coming to the triangle ABD. So here ABD is the right angle triangle. ABD is the right angle triangle because of angle D is equal to 90 here. Angle D is equal because of AD is perpendicular to BC. Now we should find out the AD value. How can you get the AD value? By using the Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, actually what is the hypotenuse here? The side which is opposite to 90. So D is equal to 90 means what is the hypotenuse? AB. That means AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. Okay, this one AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. Now what is the length of AB square? 2x whole square is equal to BD square means what? X square plus AD square. Now 2x whole square means what? 4x square and minus this x square is in this side, minus x square is equal to AD square. 4x square minus x square, 3x square is equal to AD square, and this implies AD is equal to what? Root 3x square. Means AD is equal to root 3 into root x square value what? X. So what is the length of this AD value? Root 3 into x. Is it clear? So in this triangle AD value is root 3x. Now we can find the trigonometric values. So each one you should find out. So first we have to find out sin 30 value. See. So first I am taking at theta is equal to 30. At theta is equal to 30 first. Is there here? So in the triangle ABD, angle A is equal to 30. In the triangle ABD only. So A is equal to 30. So first sin theta. So theta means what here? 30. So sin 30. Sin 30. Sin formula what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. So 30 opposite. So 30 degrees opposite what here? BD. BD by hypotenuse what here? AB. That is equal to, what is the length of BD? What is the length of BD here? X by AB value 2x. So x cancel, means how much you get here? 1 by 2. So what is the sin 30 value here? 1 by 2. Is it clear? Similarly, find out cos 30 value. Cos formula what? Adjacent by hypotenuse, that is equal to adjacent of theta adjacent. Sorry, that means 30 adjacent. So this 30 adjacent is what here? AD. So AD by hypotenuse what? AB only. That is equal to, what is the AD value? So AD is equal to how much here? Root 3x. Root 3x by, so what is the length of AB? 2x. So x cancel, means how much you get here? Root 3 by 2. So what is the cos 30 value? Root 3 by 2. And next find out tan 30. Tan 30 formula what? Opposite side by adjacent side. What is the opposite of 30? 30 opposite BD. And adjacent. Adjacent what here? AD. That means what is that? Root 3x. Root 3x. That is equal to, sorry, oh okay, no problem. Adjacent means AD actually. AD I am written directly root 3x. So what is the length of BD? X by root 3x. So x cancel, means how much you get here? 1 by root 3. So sin 30 1 by 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2, tan 30 1 by root 3. And how can you find out the cosecant 30? Cosecant 30, how can you find out? Cosecant is the reciprocal of sin, that means 1 by sin 30. Cosecant 30 is nothing but 1 by sin 30. What is the sin 30 value? 1 by 2. Reciprocal means what? 2 by 1 means what? 2. Okay. Next, secant 30 you should find out. Secant 30 is the reciprocal of cos. So secant 30 we can write as 1 by cos 30. That means cos 30 value root 3 by 2. Do the reciprocal, 2 by root 3. Okay. Next, tan, that means cot 30 we want. Actually cot formula what? 1 by tan 30. Cot 30 how can I do? 1 by tan 30. That means tan 30 1 by root 3. So do the reciprocal of tan 30 means how much you get? Root 3 by 1 means root 3. So these are the values at theta is equal to 30 degrees first. Is it clear? So sin 30 degrees 1 by 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2, tan 30 1 by root 3, cosecant 30 2, secant 30 2 by root 3, and cot 30 value root 3. Same similarly you should find out theta is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, see, same these values. Same these values we have to find out at theta is equal to 60 degrees. Now listen, theta is equal to 60 degrees. Same. So in the triangle ABD, what is the B value here? 60 degrees only because of it is the equilateral triangle. In the each angle is 60 only. But in the triangle ABD, either you can take either ABD or ACD, whatever, no problem, because of all angles are equal only. So in the triangle ABD, I am taking B is equal to 60 here. Now first sine value find out. Sine theta, theta means what here? 60. So sine 60 is equal to, so sine formula what? Opposite by hypotenuse. That means 60 degrees opposite. So 60 opposite what? AD. AD by hypotenuse what? AB. That is equal to AD value. AD value is what here? Root 3 x. Root 3x by AB value. AB means how much here? 2x. So x cancel, means how much you get here? Root 3 by 2. So what is sin 60 value? Root 3 by 2. Similarly, cos 60. Cos formula what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent what? 60 degrees adjacent. So 60 adjacent to BD here, BD value. That means BD by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse what here? AB only. That is equal to, so what is the length of BD? X by AB value 2x. So x cancel, means how much you get here? 1 by 2 again. Now tan 60 value. Tan 60 is equal to, tan formula what? Opposite by adjacent. That is equal to, what is the opposite of 60 opposite? 60 opposite AD by 60 adjacent. 60 adjacent BD. That is equal to, what is the length of AD? AD value root 3x by BD value x. So x cancel. How much you get here? Root 3. Now find out the reciprocal ratios. So now we want cosecant 60. Cosecant 60. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. That means we can write it as 1 by sine 60. That means sine 60 value root 3 by 2. Do the reciprocal, means we get 2 by root 3. Okay. Next, secant 60. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. That means 1 by cos 60. That means cos 60 value 1 by 2. Do the reciprocal, how much you get? 2 by 1 means 2. Like that, cot 60 also. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. That means 1 by tan 60. What is the tan 60 value? Root 3. So root 3 reciprocal, 1 by root 3. That's it. So these are the values at 60 degrees. Understood now this one? So sin 60 root 3 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2, tan 60 root 3, cosecant 60 2 by root 3, secant 60 2, cot 60 1 by root 3. Is it clear? So these are the trigonometric ratios at theta is equal to 30 and 60. Next we had to find out trigonometric ratios at 45 degrees. Is it clear? Now coming to next, theta is equal to 45. Just 1 second. Now we can find out the trigonometric ratios at theta is equal to 45 degrees. So now theta is equal to 45 degrees. To find the trigonometric ratios at theta is equal to 45, we have to consider one right angled isosceles triangle. Right angled isosceles. because of in the isosceles triangle only the two angles are equal, and that too we want right angle triangle compulsory. So that means we have to consider one right angled isosceles triangle. So this is the ABC. So it is the right angled isosceles, means here 90 degrees is there, and here 45 degrees, and here also 45 degrees. So this is the 45, and this is also 45 degrees. So in the triangle two angles are equal means automatically two sides are also equal. The sides which are opposite to equal sides are also equal. So 45 is opposite of BC, this 45 is opposite of AB, means these two sides are also equal. I am taking as this is x centimeters, it is also x centimeters. Now how can you find the AC value? By using Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now AB square means what? X square plus x square. X square plus x square how much? 2x square, means AC square is equal to 2x square. AC is equal to what? Root 2x square, means 2 is not a perfect square. So root 2 into root x square value what? X. Means what is the length of AC? Root 2 into x. Now find out values at theta is equal to 65. Now what is the first ratio? Theta sin theta. That means sin 45 degrees is equal to sin 45. What is the sin formula? We know already, opposite by hypotenuse. That is equal to 45 opposite, wherever you can take, either at C or at A, because of both are 45s only na. So I am taking wherever, because of both are equal sides, because of 45 means both are equal angles. The sides opposite equal angles are also equal, because of AB value BC both are equal. So opposite side means AB and hypotenuse AC. What is the AB value? X by root 2x. X cancel means how much you get here? Root 2. Okay. Similarly, find out cos 45. Cos formula what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent of 45? BC by hypotenuse what? AC. What is the BC value? X by root 2x. Then AC value what? Root 2x. So x cancel means how much you get? 1 by root 2. Means here both are same. Sin 45 cos 45 both are same only. Remember this point. And next one, tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 means what is the formula? Opposite by adjacent. What is the theta opposite? X by adjacent is also same, x only. So x cancel means how much you get here? 1. Similarly, cosecant 45 degrees. Cosecant 45. How can you find the cosecant 45? It is the reciprocal of sin only na. That means 1 by sin 45. 1 by sin 45, that is equal to 1 by sin 45 value 1 by root 2. What is the reciprocal? Root 2. Okay. Next, secant 45 degrees. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. That means 1 by cos 45. That is cos 45 value 1 by root 2. Do the reciprocal. How much you get? 1 by root 2 reciprocal. Root 2 by 1 means root 2 only. Similarly, cot 45. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. That means we can written as 1 by tan 45. 1 by tan 45. That means tan 45 value 1. 1 reciprocal 1 only. So they are the values at theta is equal to 45 degrees. So sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2. Because of both are same only here. So they will ask you sin theta value and cos theta value both are same at which angle? At theta is equal to 45 degrees. Remember this point. And tan 45 1. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sin. Sin 45 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 reciprocal root 2. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. Cos 45 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 reciprocal root 2. Cot 45. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. Tan 45 1. So 1 reciprocal 1 only. Understand this one? So they are the trigonometric ratios at theta is equal to 45 degrees. Now we can find the trigonometric ratios at 0 degrees and 90 degrees. These are the two very important. Okay. Now see. Now we can find the trigonometric ratios. Now listen. Trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios at first to 0 degrees. First we had to find out 0 degrees at. So to find this one, first to draw one triangle here. Sorry. See, just wait. So in this one, so ABC, so ABC, so here angle is there, theta, here angle theta is there. Now remember, if the angle theta, what I am taking, theta value 0, that means this value is 0 means this AC line segment here, actually here theta is equal to some 30 degrees is means here BC is the fixed ray and this AC is the moving ray like this. See, just I will give one clue here. So this is the BC ray. So this is the AC ray. Here small angle is there. For example, 10 degrees is there. So if angle is increases like this, the triangle comes like this. Understood? Na? So if the angle is increases, the size of the triangle is also increases. So when the angle is decreases, continuously, that means theta value decreases continuously, at last it reaches at 0 degrees, means this theta value 0 degrees means this AC line segment is coincide with what? BC. This AC line segment coincide with BC value. Understood? Na? Because of this total AC value comes to the downside because of the theta value decreases. So this AC continuously gradually coincide with BC. That means at the time AC value is also equal to what? BC. And what about this AB? This total line segment AB value is eliminated. That means the AB value is 0. Understood now here? This AB value is deleted because of this total value is coincide with BC. At that time theta is equal to what? 0 degrees. So remember this point. Now find out the sin theta value first. Understood now here? When theta value continuously decreases, that AC side is coincide with BC, then the line segment AB value becomes 0. Okay? Now sin value first to find out. That means sin theta means 0 here. So sin 0. So sin formula what? Opposite by hypotenuse, that is equal to theta opposite. So theta opposite what here? AB by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse what? AC. That is equal to AB by AC. AB value what here? 0. 0 by AC. 0 by AC means what? 0 by anything what? 0. So what is the sin 0 value? 0. Next, cos 0. Cos formula what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. So 0 adjacent, that means theta. Theta adjacent what here? BC. BC by hypotenuse what? AC. But BC value is already equal to what? AC. BC already is equal to AC because of both are coincide na. So AC by AC both are cancel, means how much you get here? 1. That means what is the cos 0 value? Cos 0 value 1. Next to find out tan 0. Tan 0. Already I told you tan is the ratio of sin theta and cos theta. In this form write down. So tan 0 how can I write down? Sin 0 by cos 0. Actually you can find out opposite by adjacent also, we are getting same value. Sin 0 by cos 0. What is the sin 0 value? Sin 0 0, cos 0 1. So 0 by 1 means what? 0. So tan 0 is also 0. Next, cosecant 0 degrees. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sin theta only, na? That means 1 by sin 0. That means 1 by sin 0. Sin 0 means what here? 0. So anything by 0? Not defined. So anything by 0 what? Not defined. Next, secant 0 degrees. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. That means cos 0. 1 by cos 0 value 1. 1 by 1 means how much? 1 only. Next one, cot 0. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. That means 1 by tan 0. That means 1 by tan 0. 0. Tan 0 means what? 0. 1 by 0 again. Same. Not defined. So anything by 0 what? Not defined here. Understood now this one? How you can find out the trigonometric ratios at 0 degrees. So it is a very important point, this too. So the AC, the hypotenuse value is coincide with the BC value. Then the one side AB value becomes 0 because if both are coincide. So is it clear now? Now same in this pattern we should find out trigonometric ratios at 90 degrees. How can you find out? Now listen. Same in this pattern only, same we had applied same concept. How can find out? Now we can find out trigonometric ratios at theta is equal to 90. Sorry. Theta is equal to 90 degrees. Same. First we draw one triangle. So here one draw one triangle, here one right angle triangle. Same A, B, C. So here 90 is there, but here theta is equal to theta value I am taking at the point C. Now remember this point. Remember this point. Here theta value increases to 90. Theta is increases to 90 means, so this theta value continuously decreases at 0 means that AC value is coincide with BC, then AB value is 0. Now that theta value is continuously increases up to where? Up to theta is equal to 90. That means, so it is increases like perpendicular. So it is 90 degrees. So like this it is increases. So continuously it is increases means, in the triangle the sum of three angles is how much? 180 degrees. Means here two right angles are not possible. In a triangle two right angles are always not possible because of sum of two angles 180 means, what about third angle? So not possible. Then this AC value, when this theta value is increases to 90, when this theta value is increases to 90, this AC value is coincide with AB because of here only 90 is there, because of AB makes 90 degrees with the BC value here. Means if theta value is increases to 90, this AC value is coincide with AB. So AC value is coincide with AB. If this AC coincide with AB, then what about BC value? BC value is equal to 0. BC value is eliminated because of this total. That means like this. See, for example, if I draw like this, here for example 30 degrees, here how much? Because of if the distance decreases means automatically the angle is increases. For example, here 45 is there, and again the theta value is increases. Here 60, again increases 70, again it increases 80, sorry 70, 80, at last 90. Means if theta values increases, the distance decreases. So if the distance decreases means automatically the distance at last BC value is what? 0. Then this AC value coincide with what here? AB. So whenever you finding the trigonometric ratios of theta is equal to 90, if theta value increases to 90, this AC coincide with AB and BC value becomes 0. Based on this, find the values. Now first one, sin 90 value. Sin formula what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side of 90? So theta. Theta opposite what? AB by hypotenuse what? AC. What is the AB value? Keep like that, AB by AC value. In the place of AC, what you can write down? AB only. Because of both are same only, so AB cancel means how much you get here? 1. That means sin 90 value how much? 1. Similarly, find out cos 90. Cos formula what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the theta adjacent? BC by hypotenuse AC. What is the BC value here? 0. 0 by AC. 0 by AC value how much? 0 only. 0 by anything? 0. Next, tan 90 value. Tan formula what? Sin 90 by cos 90. Because of it is the ratio of sin theta by cos theta. What is the sin 90 value? 1. Tan 90 value, sorry, cos 90 value? 0. Anything by 0? Not defined. It is a not defined. Next one, cosecant 90. Cosecant is the reciprocal of what? Sine. That means 1 by sin 90. What is the sin 90 value? 1. 1 reciprocal? 1 only. Next one, secant 90. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. That means 1 by cos 90. Cos 90 value? 0. That means 1 by 0. 1 by 0 value? Not defined. 1 by 0 not defined. And last one, cot 90 value. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. That means 1 by tan 90. So 1 by tan 90. Tan 90 means what? Not defined. Na? So 1 by not defined. This value is 0. So 1 by not defined. This value 0. So these are the trigonometric ratios at theta is equal to 0, 30 degrees and 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So this is a very important values. So we can find out trigonometric ratios at remaining angles 15 degrees, 18 degrees, 22 degrees. At remaining all angles we can find out. But maximum in the problems we have to use these angles values. Okay. So in the next video we have to discuss about the trigonometric identities. Okay. Thank you.